G'day guys, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Today we're in Whangamata and I'm just checking out on the site that we're doing here for Beach Hop. Alright, this is going to be an amazing workshop with an apartment complex. Come on through, got the hard hat on. Where we're at with this job at the moment is we've seen the demolition of the old apartment complex that was here on site to make way for this new one. We've checked out the slab, how to set all the posts into the ground, so the apartment will be here. Out of portals, we've got Kyron and the crew have already stood the framing for the back. I was here to make sure we got room. We're going to get the cladding delivered tomorrow from Roofing Industries. Depending on the wind, very windy at the moment, we'll be looking to roof this week and start getting the back clad, because then we've got steel house structures all being ordered and underway, and that's going to be coming for the front of it as well. Because the plan is we're going to have this all fully enclosed and lockable for Christmas. Let's go and check out the structure that we've got. Now this is all New Zealand steel, manufactured by Metalcraft up in Auckland. Cheers to Ben Knight and his crew. So Kyron and that's assembled it. So we've got all this back-to-back New Zealand steel framing in here. So this is going to form all of the workshop area. Now there's a few things that the keen viewers might notice. We've got the plumbing in place for the showers and the laundry, but they'll notice, why have we got timber bolted to the floor here? That's a little bit unusual for a Waikato Sheds shed. And the reason is, this is a commercial building, so we're going to have firewalls. This is actually going to have 2 layers of jib fire line on the inside of these walls. So what we've done is we've planned for that already. Obviously it's part of it, is we've allowed this, so that's where the fire lining is going to be going against it. Otherwise, we've got all these top hats, knee braces, brackets, everything's been designed, engineered here in New Zealand, and so it's going to be excellent. We're going to have a massive roller door to come through the front, another roller door here on the side, a couple of PA doors there and there. It's going to be looking fantastic, and we're also going to have a mezzanine in the back. So as always, super impressed with the quality of the work that Kyron and the team are producing, so it's great. Next stages is, as we're saying, the cladding's going to turn up. Roofing Industries, my man Brad's sorting us out with that. Once the wind dies down, we're going to be able to clad this beautiful thing. Then we've got steel house structure coming, courtesy of Steve, Michaela and Christian. That's going to roll down, and then we're going to be able to get into it. So keep watching, ask any questions, and I can't wait to get this project locked up for Christmas.